Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Perez Omondi from Kidz Africa, and today I'm going to take you through a simple tutorial on Scratch programming. In this video, we're going to explore the various code blocks in Scratch programming. We have the motion. When you click on the motion, there are the various commands such as move 10 steps, turn, go to, glide, point in direction, and this basically enables our sprites to be in motion. When something is in motion, we say something is moving. And then we look at the looks. The looks is just how we want our sprite to look like. You can want your sprite to say hello, think, switch its costume, switch the backdrop, change size. It all depends. Then we're going to look at the sound. Sound is just basically the sound you want your sprite to release. You can be having a cat as your sprite and you'd want it to release a meow sound. Yeah, so that is it. You can play sound until done, start, stop, change the pitch effect, set the pitch effect to 100, clear all the effects, change volume and all that. And I believe as you continue doing your project, you'll be able to interact with all these code blocks. So the events in this code block, in an event where we click the green flag, or we have in an event where we press the space key, or rather in an event where the sprite is clicked, what do we want your sprite to do? So that is basically the use of the events code block. And then we have the control. So the control is used to, an example is when you are riding a bicycle and you want to control the bicycle, you always have a brake, or rather if you want to keep on moving, you always pedal, right? So also in Sprite, we have the control code blocks, whereby we have wait, just in the same as a bicycle. When you're riding your bicycle, when you want to stop, you take a break, you wait. And then when you want to repeat, you keep on pedaling, right? When you want to forever, you want to like forever pedal, you keep on doing it. So it's the same also in Scratch. So when you want this butterfly that we had chosen as our sprite to forever move, we'll drag the forever code block to the stage and give it more commands to make it glide forever. So you'll continue exploring them as you do your project. And then we have the sensing. On the sensing side, we have touching the mouse pointer, or rather touching whatever you have chosen as your sprite or backdrop. Touching color, when the color dash is touching that, distance to the mouse pointer, and all those. We have the operators, such as the addition, subtraction, equal sign, the slash, or rather the division. We have pick random 1 to 10, we have greater than, we have less than, we have equal to, we have and, or, not, and all those. So we have also the variables. On the variable side, this is basically, I believe you all have interacted with games where as you play the games, there are always the numbers up there counting. For example, 5, 10, 15. So you can make a variable depending on the kind of project that you're creating. You can set your variable to a certain number. For example, when you want when you're coming up with a game, when you want your game to start counting from 5 or rather 1, you can set it to that number and then make it change by a specific number. So you could be wanting it to move from 1 to 5, 5 to 10, and all that. You'll explore that as you create your first project on Scratch. Finally, we have my blocks. When you click on my blocks, you realize that there's a box there giving you make a block. And when you click on make a block, it directs you to somewhere else. So you give the name of the block you want to make depending on the kind of project you're coming up with. And then after you're done, you press on OK. Then the block is created now. Let us try this one. For example, when you want to make the butterfly to change size, I want us to try exploring just this one block, and let's see. So let's say we want the butterfly to, as it glides to a random position, we want it to change size by 20. So you click on 20 and you realize that as the butterfly glides towards a random position, its size gets larger. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you on the next one.